Curse Troy and those who dwell within her walls. They torched our food stores and tents, even most of the ships. We'll be lucky to even escape here now.
Escape? We just broke down one of the gates! We should be pressing our attack, not talking of escape!
The Trojans aren't going to wait for that. Surely they will attack again at any moment.
Not if they think we've left. Poseidon is the lord of horses. In Atlantis, a defeated general surrenders his horse when beaten.
A horse? Yes, a great wooden horse.
I don't understand. Will it fight?
We can have this done quickly, and we don't have to rebuild any of the siege. Arkantos, I will need your help. Λέγε, μάλιστα. Ναι.
Λέγε, ορφάνι, βούλομαι. Προς το ορφάνι, βούλομαι.
Προστάγμα, βούλομαι. Εσάνι.
Προστάγμα, μάλι, έστω.
Πρόσεχε. Τέκτον. Έτοιμος. Τέκτον.
Λέει πανί, ναι. Έστω.
Έτσι προστάγμα, βούλομαι, μάλιστα.
Έτοιμος. Πανί, μάλι, ναι. Βούλομαι, έστω. Πρόσεχε.
Run for the gates! We must warn Troy!
Do not let the scouts return to Troy, or we will be attacked.
Μάλιστα. Ναι. Βούλομαι. Πάνι. Έστω, μάλιστα. Ναι. Πάνι. Βούλομαι. Ναι. Πάνι. Έστω. Μάλιστα. Βούλομαι. Ναι. Έστω. Πάνι. Μάλιστα. Ναι. Βούλομαι. Έστω. Ναι. Μάλιστα. Πάνι. Βούλομαι. Προσέκε. Ναι. Μάλιστα. Έστω. Μάλιστα. Πάνι. Βούλομαι.
Πρόσταγμα.
Τέκτον.
Λέγε. Τέκτον.
Έτοιμος. Ναι. Μάλιστα. Έστω.
Έτοιμος. Πρόσεχε. Τέκτον. Πρόσταγμα. Ναι. Έστω. Τέκτον. Πρόσεχε. Βούλομαι. Λέγε. Έτοιμος. Θρητόμος.
Έτοιμο, ορθός.
Προσβούλομαι. Πάνι. Μάλιστα.
Προς μάλιστα. Θρητόμος. Λέγε. Τέκτον. 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 Πρόσεχε. Τέκτον.
Λέει έστω. Ναι. Βούλομαι. Ναι.
Πρόσταγμα, ναι, έστω. Τέκτον. Έτοιμο. Ναι, μάλιστα. Τέκτον. Λέγε. Τέκτον.
Λέγε βούλομαι, βρυτόμος.
Πρόσταγμα. Τέκτον. Πρόσεχε. Τέκτον.
Προστέκτον. Προσέκτον.
Έτοιμο. Γεωργός. Λέγε. Τέκτον. Προς Γεωργός. Πρόσεχε Γεωργός. Λέγε Γεωργός. Έτοιμος. Γεωργός.
Έτοιμη, βουφορβός. Λέγε βουφορβός, βουφορβός. Πρόσταγμα, βουφορβός. Πρόσεχε, βουφορβός.
Πρόσταγμα έστω. Μα μεταλλεύς.
Λέγε, ναι, μεταλλεύς.
Πρόσεχε. Μεταλλεύς.
Πρόσταγμα. Βούλομαι. Πάνι. Βούλομαι.
Λέγε. Μεταλλεύς.
Move the horse into position, quickly!
Agamemnon, take the boats and men and sail just out of sight. Arkantos, Ajax, and I will man the horse. When night falls, sail back. We'll have the gate open for you.
I am glad you schemed for me, Odysseus. I will return at nightfall.
If we destroy the gate, our troops can rush in.
Esto, malis, pani, esto. Proseke, ne, malista, bulome, malista, esto, pani, ne, pani. Bulome, esto, malista, es ne, pani, bulome.
Wait here for the guards to pass. We would do best to avoid fighting them now.
Esto, malista. Bulome, pani, ne. Malis, esto. Bulome, esto, pani, ne. Malista, ne. Bulome. Pani. Esto. Bulome.
A colossus. We should try to sneak past.
Bulome, es malista. Bulome, ne.
We could make good use of those.
Bulome, esto, ne. Pani, mal, bul, esto. Pane, malista. Bulome, pani, esto, ne. Pani, ispuli. Bulome, poro. Malista, pani, ne. Bulome. Ros, es malista, pani. Lei, ismake, ne. Bul, ne, es pani. Malista, ne.
Why are those Hellapolays out of storage? They are controlled by the enemy. Stop them!
Carlos.
Léger, poro.
Etimos. Ismake. Poro.
Agamemnon has returned with his army. Quickly, rush through the gate and take down Troy's fortresses.
Etimos. Ne.
The gods have graced us with 2 meteors!
Prosec. Esto.
Pani. Bulome. Etimos. Ne.
Leie. Prostai. Ne.
Protegé. Est volume. Malista. Esto.
Lene est volume. Esto. Malista. Prosecche. Ne. Malista. Pani. Volume. Esto. Prostagma. Volume. Malista. Pani.
Λέγε.
Έτοιμος. Prostagma. Esto. Prosecche. Volume. Malista. Pani. Leje. Ne.
Troy has fallen. Let's find Helen and get her back home.
Where to now, Arkantos?
Back to Atlantis. This was a welcome break from chasing pirates, but I need to return home.
Well, pirates or not, you need to get your boats repaired.
You don't think they can make it to Atlantis?
No.
There is a port not far from here, Ioklos.
I'm sailing there. I can show you the way and get someone to work on your ships.
And he strides among the treetops, and is taller than the trees, and his voice through all the garden is thunder sent to bring. What is it, Kemsit?
Kamos has returned, sir. He lost the trident. He says the Atlantean was headed for Troy. The battle there will not last much longer once he joins the Greeks.
The siege at Troy is already over.
Zeus could still interfere.
Do you question me, Kemsit?
No, everything is exactly as you said it would be. The fortress, the tunnel, Troy.
Giants and the genii, multiplex of wing and eye, whose strong obedience broke the sky. Send Kamos. I want to speak with him.
Yes, General.